Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Uverse box stuck on please wait, restart, cable and signal fix guide. Uverse boxes often freeze on please wait due to network handshake failures, corrupted caches or loose cable connections. Fixes include power cycling the gateway and receiver, triggering a software recovery, or using the WPS button to repair wireless units. For more troubleshooting, consult official Uverse support resources. Fix 1. Power cycle the gateway and receiver. Unplug the power cord from the back of the AT&T Wi-Fi gateway. Next, unplug the power cord from the Uverse receiver and leave both of them unplugged for at least 30 seconds. Then plug the Wi-Fi gateway back in first. Wait for 3 to 5 minutes until all services lights are solid and normal. After that, plug the Uverse receiver back into power. Let it boot up. Fix 2. Hard reset the receiver hardware. First, soft reset. Press and hold the physical power button on the front of the receiver for 10 seconds. The box will reboot automatically, taking about 5 to 8 minutes. Next, total power flush. Unplug the power cord from the back of the box, and while it is unplugged, press and hold the front power button for 15 seconds to drain residual electricity from the circuit boards. Then reconnect the power. Fix 3. Verify cables and repair wireless signals. Wired boxes. Confirm the Ethernet cable runs securely from the receiver into a regular yellow LAN port on the back of the gateway rather than a broadband or phone port. Ensure any coaxial or HDMI connections are snug. Wireless boxes. Unplug the power brick from your wireless access point WAP, the small black box hooked up to your gateway. Plug it back in after 10 seconds. Once its light settles, press the WPS button on the WAP. Then immediately press the OK button on the front of your wireless receiver to sync the signal. Fix 4. Trigger a non-disaster recovery. Unplug the receiver's power cord from the wall or the back of the device, wait for 10 seconds, and then plug it back in. As soon as the three white dots appear on your TV screen, immediately unplug the power cord again and repeat this exact process 2 more times. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.